Rajasthan, one of the district, wherein while importing and getting it to their premises, the challenge was in terms of value which is mentioned on the e-way bill and the value which is mentioned on the bill of entry, wherein there was some clerical mistakes on account of replacing the value, and the e-way bill authorities, without listening to the merits of the cases, they imposed the penalty under section 129, wherein 100% of the tax and 100% of the penalty were asked to pay to the assessee. And just to get the goods released, they were forced to pay. While handling this matter, so there were certain challenges, wherein first in terms of getting the appeal, filing the appeal and getting it accepted. So in the process, the first challenge was with regard to the temporary registration, wherein the officers of GST of that state, since the company was not registered in the state of Rajasthan, so they forced the assessee to obtain the temporary registration. Since they do not have any premises, so they force the driver to give the details, and then the temporary registration was granted in the name of the driver. Wherein the second challenge was with regard to, while filing the appeal, the authority has not uploaded the order online, so that was the third. And the third, which is very important, was jurisdiction to file the appeal. Since in the state of Rajasthan, if you do not have or there is a temporary registration, then the authority is being decided appellate authority based upon which is of a Jaipur authority. And when you have a jurisdiction or you are living in one city, then there is always jurisdiction based upon your location. So that was the second challenge, and in fact the third challenge. The fourth challenge was that who has borne the tax and penalty. Since in this case the tax and the penalty were borne by the company, so we that was another challenge while filing the appeal. And so all these challenges were there, and then we made the submission, and our appeal got accepted successfully. So in detail, if one has to refer, then they can go into the document and see, which is given in this link below. And once that appeal got accepted, then more to satisfy the authorities that there was no tax evasion, and everything was on a bona fide, and there was no bona fide intention to for that clerical mistakes. We made multiple submissions, and we relied upon the judgment of Kerala High Court and as well as the Gujarat High Court, and